So we said that in an uptrend market, we look for what? Buying what? Opportunities, right? Good. Then we move further to types of what? Movement, right? Then we said in an uptrend market or in a trending market, there's always the impulsive move and the what? The retracement. And we all concluded that in an uptrend market, you buy at the beginning of the what? Impulsive move, right? Then in a downtrend market, you what? You sell at the what? Beginning of the what? Right? So like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Then like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Right? Higher, high. Higher what? Low. Higher, high. Higher what? Low. Higher, high. Higher what? Low. Downtrend, right? Downtrend, uptrend, right? Impulsive retracement, right? Impulsive retracement. Impulsive retracement, right? Then yeah, impulsive, right? Sorry, lower low, abi? Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? Impulsive retracement, impulsive, right? Retracement, impulsive what? Right? Then we concluded that in an option market, right? Right? We are buying, right? Always don't sell in an option market. Then in a downtrend market, we always what? You see, I'm always repeating it, right? Because it's that repetition that is the power. That repetition is the power. Made for feed enter. Because when you enter there, when you say, okay, I want to trade now, the market does not care if you know these things. You get? Doesn't care your feeling, if they break your heart, if they rob you for, it doesn't care. Just come as you are. Do as if nothing happened to you before. You see, market, this is a tissue different thing. Let's say now. You have a project now or something to do. Even if something happened yesterday, it shouldn't affect what you want to do the next day. You get that now? You do something. Like, let's say you want to go for, let's say you want to build a house now, or you want to do something tomorrow now, you want to embark on a journey. Even if something happened the night before, not allow that thing, because they say, no, I don't want to go again. You see what I'm saying? So if you face the shark like this now, even if you lose before, even your previous trade was a loss, don't allow it to affect a next decision. Or maybe what's happened for us? No food for us. That no food. Keep up your phone where? Keep up your phone. Then when you come here, come and see there's food. Just there where. When you do food, you say, oh, there's no food. But when you're in the chat, when you're in, when you are faced with your monitor or your laptop, it should be that you come this good neutral, because market doesn't care your feelings, it doesn't care if you are wealthy or not, it doesn't care about you. So in an in an uptrend market, you always buy at the what? Beginning of the what? Impulsive move, right? Then exit, but not really compulsory. You will still run anytime, but so far you buy at the beginning of the what? Impulsive move. That's the most powerful what? Thing. If you buy and reach share, run. Buy and reach share, run. If you see all and come now, see the abi, you na see profit abi. Good. So always buy at the what? Beginning of the what? Impulsive move, right? If you choose, don't worry. Always buy here at the beginning, right? Buy here. Then for downtrend, always buy here, right? Buy here, right? Sorry, sell here, right? The beginning, right? The beginning. So now the question is, how do we know if this is the beginning of this impulsive move, if it is the beginning of this impulsive move, if it is the beginning of this impulsive move, that's the question now. How do we know? To know, there are several things you need to know it. Number one is support and resistance. Support. You have to know the beginning. There are some things you need to know to enable you to know that this is the beginning of the impulsive move. Number one is the use of the support and resistance methodology. Support and what? Resistance. This AO. That's why you ask the camp say, what's your strategy? To say, I use just support and resistance. You ask them, what's your strategy? To say, I use trend line. I use ICT. What's your? I use patterns, flag, wedge. What's your? I use butterfly. What's your? I use cup pattern. What's your? I use W pattern. What's your? I use EMU. What's the pattern for you? Yes. That's you. I'm not just saying it. You get, but all these complexities are too much. Pick one or two, you follow up. You get, just pick one or two, follow up. Because one thing I've mastered or I've observed in trading is that even if you pick the simplest strategy, so far you are consistent in that simple strategy. Just be consistent. Even if you lost, the next one still obey them. Even if you get do it for 1 month, 2 months, you will still be in profit. You still be, if you accumulate your results, you still be in profit. Though some patterns or some strategy they more, but inside there it still depends on the trader. There are other things that still affects you winning now. There are other things that still helps to win apart from your strategy. Like I can say that I've already gotten 2 losses today. There is no need to trade again. I might just decide that that's my rule. But another person now will say, even if that person got 2 losses, let's see enter again. We see call it again and not get 6 losses. No, me, I collect 2, I owe myself. that person wants to revenge. Then me, I say, okay, my own is that if I get 2 losses a day, it's a sign that I should not trade again. I will close my laptop. Also, my personal, sometimes small things. It's called psychology of trading. Also, small things. We need to use other than the pattern or other than the strategy. Do you get? So everything is not just about the strategy. There's still psychological tools, so kind of things you put to yourself. Do you get? Like me now, if I get 3 strikes of losses, I'm not just for that week again. Me, 3 strikes. Too much now. Why? Why 3 strikes? What happened? As small as stereo. Small as stereo. Me, 3 strikes. For what? I will not calm down. Go and do other things to refresh my mind first. You get? Because not trading is still part of trading. What is the thing you need to know? But suppose you know, I want to do my life every day. Especially you are practicing or you are practicing your pattern or your strategy. But so you can do every day. It's too much. So number one way we can know that this is the beginning of the impulsive move is by applying what? Support and what? Resistance. Okay? So you write for me now. Support and resistance are proven areas where sellers and buyers have equilibrium. I'll break it down. They are what? They are proven areas. They are proven areas where buyers and sellers have or find some equilibrium. What's equilibrium? Good. In physics, is equal, right? Like those pendulum bulb. Now those things like this now. Then when you say this is at equilibrium, it means that this is a point that it what balances, right? If turn for I think go to 4. But once you find in physics now, we will find the CG, the center of mass, center of gravity. You know, once you put up for there, it go must balance, no matter what. Don't play with science. Don't play with science. That's working. Don't play with science. Okay? There are major turning points in the market. In the market. Price tends to respect these zones. That's what support and what resistance. They are also called in some books. They are also called demand and supply. Right? People here they cash out steady. Like there are some big traders that I know of. Support and resistance and they use to make money. So now we young people say you just like when you young people say support and resistance is for ancient. Now previous now that old they make people they make money. So the difference is that it's not just about what you are using. There's the other things you need to know or to put into place. For me, the simpler it is, the better. You learn different things. Okay, I use that apply now. I use that apply because are we there? Are we there? Are we there? They are formed. They are formed at swing points. They are formed at got for pockets source. They are formed at swing points. Follow me. They are formed at swing points. They are formed at swing points. They are formed at swing points. They are formed. This is the last session for today. They are formed at swing points. They are formed at what? They are formed at what? For an uptrend market. Uptrend. Uptrend market. Uptrend. Uptrend. For an uptrend market, the swing point are formed at swing point. This is very, very powerful. For an uptrend market, the swing point is the what? The higher high. Let me just summarize it like that. Then for downtrend, The swing point is the swing point is the lower low. What this means is that the swing point for an uptrend, the swing point is the previous high, right? The swing point in an uptrend is what? HH, right? Then in a downtrend, the swing point is what? Is what? Lower low. Power. So support and resistance, they are proven areas where what? Buyers and sellers find what? Somewhat equilibrium. They are major turning points in the what? Market, right? Price tends to respect this what? Zone. Do you get? They are formed when price reverse and what? Change what? Direction. Right? They are formed at what? Swing what? Points. In an uptrend, the swing points, not that, because now swing point they form this thing. Now swing point what? They form this thing. So the swing points in an uptrend is what? Higher high, right? Meaning the previous highs, right? Previous highs. Then in a downtrend, the swing point is what? Lower low. Have you written it? Have you written it? Are you guys done? Are you guys done? Let me clean everything up. I want to clean everything up. Wow. Hey, why promote support now? Support. And look at me, oh. I want to all these things now, I want to put them in a pictorial view so you will know all this right up now. I want to summarize them in a diagram. Then after, we'll now go and check them in the what? In the what? In the chart. For support, you buy. For resistance, you sell. So support is like, if I say support me now, I mean you should what? Hold me, Abi. So let me just use this. Support is down level. Good. Support is what? Down level, Abi. Like now this ground, support me, Abi. Meaning I will go up from this what? Down part, right? Meaning I should what? Buy at support region. That's the meaning buy at what? Support what? Region. Then if you watch, this is resisting me, this POP, right? It's trying to press me down. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere, right? So support is like the ceiling, right? So in support region, you what? Sell. So in resistance, you what? In resistance, you what? In support, you what? Good. That's in demand. When it's a demand for something, economics, yeah. When it's a demand for something, you what? Put it to what? Buy, Abi. Good. Good, demand push. There was supply. It means the manufacturers that are supplying more, right? They are selling it to the what? To people to what? To buy it, Abi. God bless your father. Book! Book the cry. Okay, let's go. So let's put all these things in what? In pictorial view. I said they are the points where what? Buyers and sellers what? Have what? They are what? Equilibrium, right? They are equal, right? Good. I also said they are the major turning points in the what? The market, right? Good. I also said that market changes and what? Reverse in those what points, right? Yes. I also said that again that market tends to what? Respect those words. Oh yeah, let's start with the uptrend first. Let's start with what? Upward. Now look, let me start from down like this. That it will be big. What's the essence of this big board if I cannot use everything? Look, 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 look. Then I say that they are formed in a what? Swing what? Point, right? And the swing point of an uptrend market is what? Is what? Higher high. So you use your line. There's line 2, rectangle 2, you draw down. Come like this. So this line now, or it's called zone, not actually line. It's called what? Zone. This line now, let me use line now. This zone now is now the support. So it means that if market is technically touch on, it go waiting. It go waiting. It go change that to what? To what? To what? Let me calm down. Look now. I'm teaching you now how to draw it to, how to draw your what? Support and what? Resistance. Or how to get your support and what? Resistance. In an uptrend, the support, because support and resistance are formed in swing what? Points. Right? Good. And in an uptrend, the swing point is what? Higher high, the previous high, right? And now we are studying an uptrend what? Market, right? Now, I want to draw the support and resistance. Look, this is how we draw it. So if market now, so now, this is now the beginning of the reversing move. Using support and resistance strategy or methodology, because market can still break it. Good. But once it touches this point or this zone, there's high probability that it will turn. It will show what? Delay and continue. See now. You know that this one now, just do one like this, have you? In the market now, it will come like this and touch this point. Don't forget, we are in what? Higher what? Time what? Frame. You get? So let's say you are in an higher time frame now, and you draw out your zones. This support, abi? This support, abi? Support, right? Right? This support, right? Notice, I did not write the support here. I wrote it here. Notice so. I didn't write the support here or like here now. No, it's here. Because you draw it from your left to your right. So let's say I've drawn it like this now. I've gotten my previous HH now. Then when I came in, market was here now. It means it has broken this previous what I right. So what you have to do is simple. Wait. I know it's high time frame. It takes time, right? Still wait. Now wait, nothing wait. So let's assume that this is a daily time frame now. You will not be waiting. Don't worry, wait. You wait till market retrace to the support. Good. Because if you enter here, that's why if we are trading, I don't enter. Let's say we come now and we see that market has broken previous high. Asking, I won't enter. It has broken what previous what high. There's a tendency that it might reverse or it might retrace. So let's wait. You know the person buying, I'm gonna wait. If you say, but my else eats money now, so no, wait. No, green. Only go. You can't eat small, collect small. I've already mastered patience. Where? I've already mastered it. Where? Because my else eats things. I don't collect too much. They don't cost me, So I will wait. It's better It's better because not trading is part of trading too. So it's better my money dey my account. I dey see am abi than say I just enter dey collect me. So everything is about mindset and routine. You have to have a routine, you like a way of living. So now, lifestyle dey come now. Lifestyle dey come now. You have to. That's why. Are you? Do you as a person? Are you a person that follows routine? When you wake up, what's the first thing you do? Let me now. I just stretch small. Do small workout. This is a routine. Then you shower, you brush. This is a routine. Now, trading now is not entering your lifestyle. So it means lifestyle can affect your trading too. So how do you see that you are doing one particular something every day? You wake up by 6:30, you stretch till like 6:35, you go gym by 7 o'clock, you come back again by 8 o'clock, you eat. Let me digress again. Let me just focus on this thing. So I'm showing you how to what draw and what support and what resistance. So you always draw at the what previous what high, right? So now market has broken this one now. So since it has broken it, wait for your turn, wait for it to retrace, right? So you draw your line, right? Support. You feel right, but let me you write down because as a beginner, it good at or is good you write it down. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now I cannot write higher high again because I follow level, but it's good you write it down so that it could enter you. Now look now. Don't forget we are in what higher what time what frame. So you join what your support, right? Like this. So now you are expecting, you are waiting for the market to what retrace to that zone. In that zone, you will take action and you will join the big players. You are waiting diligently. You wait for like a hunter, right? You wait. Enter my trap now. Enter. That's why you see those OG. They will say in Twitter, they will say, don't chase the market. Allow it to come to you. No, like this they do. Allow it to come to you. Search up for them. Wait for them. In your shot now, you've highlighted this spot and you do it like this. You are waiting. You are waiting. If you not come, if you go, but it's okay. At least my capital is what is preserved.
So you mean all those line will drop that fall line now waiting now line will be wasted down.
Those goods, they are possible zones for what? For what? For reversal. I think that at that zone, price what reversal and change is right in those zones I wrote. So there are possible or there are potential zones where markets can what reverse. So we are waiting and we are waiting for it to come to it. When it comes, we execute.
So if they come in, I won't enter now. So if I mount my century like this, it's a rich now, so I can enter.
Yes, you know there's what we call top-down analysis where I will now teach you how to link time frames because at the higher time frames we get the direction because if you enter in like this now, how do you put your SL? Because let's say this is daily time frame now. The candle is big now. It will not make to risk too much. That's why with time frames, there's what we call position trading, swing trading, daily trading, scalper like that because of time frames like that. Now let's assume this is daily now, and it comes in now, and it forms something now, and that's something I've got to teach now again for lower time frame because it will form something that will kickstart the movement upward. Do you get? It will form something that will kickstart the movement upward. That it forms W pattern, or it forms engulfing candle, or it forms pin bar, or it forms head and shoulder. This is not fuck you, this is head and shoulder. All these are patterns I will teach you guys. Don't worry, it's not complex. Now look now, if it comes to now like this now, you know, if it comes to now, it's a possibility that it will what? It will reverse, right? Right? And I told you that if you want to enter, you enter at the what? Lower what? That's 15 minutes, or let's say H1, 15 minutes, right? Good. I know that in one daily candle, there's many. There's 24 candles for H1. I mean, there is times 6 of what? So if now you now come to the lower time frame now, and you saw a green candle here, and you enter by, and you put your essay like this now. Now daily, the higher time frame is what? Daily, right? They see no source of it going down again, because now daily then you take out from. If it collect you again, so you have to wait for pattern to form again. And you say, this pattern now will kickstart the movement. That pattern is formed in the lower time frame. And for that pattern will fall like this now. Let's assume double bottom is a pattern. You know, first thing will form like this now. 1 hour kind of failure of, 1 day kind of failure of form. You see answer? Because normally, if we don't wait for any pattern like this now, let's say we want to take the sell or the buy. So let's say we want to take the buy from the higher time frame. That means we wait for one big candle to form first. Then you click buy like this now. Your essence is here. It's too much. Well, because daily candle, because the more the time frame, the more the spread. Do you get? Let me clean this thing. Let me calm down, Sha. Let me just calm down. So let's not go there again. Look, right? You see now, almost want to shout. By default, I won't get myself. You see? So here's a support zone. Let's say you are a positional trader, because positional trader uses daily time frame. Finish. Let's say you use that one first. Then once it touches here, you buy. You put your essay somewhere here. You leave them to break the what? Previous side. Here's your TP.
What as a buy? People break that.
Good. You can't break on that, Gabi. We will go again. There are many things involved. Look now. If it breaks now, it will not go to another support zone again before it can buy. That's why we always wait for a pattern to form here before we now decide that this is the real point. It will buy, because there's a likelihood that it can also break it. You know, it's not certain, right? Everything is probability. And this game is a probability game. You get? It might buy here. It might even come to buy at this one. That one is advanced. I'll choose that one. Don't worry. But most times it will buy here. But sometimes it might come here. There's one thing I've taught him: imbalance, and that dimension again, where it can break here, and come and feel one thing for here, where it form for here, so it can go up again. But don't get confused. Don't get confused. Let's just stick with support and what? Resistance. So everything is just what? Probability. So that's why when it comes to that zone, That's support zone now. What we do now is that we now go to lower time frame and wait for a bullish pattern to form. To now enter the market. I'm using sense to touch down analysis. Are you? I'm touching up, touching down, touching up, touching down. Are you guys getting this thing?
Yeah.
Are you getting it? You get them? If she gets it, everybody gets them. If she gets everybody get them. So look now. So now let's stick to what support and what and resistance. So I will draw it like this. Come down. So come down, B. Right? So you always draw your support at the what previous what high, right? That's the uptrend. The swing point is what the what ish. So you do your we do practical. Don't we do practical? We draw it like this, right? Alright. So I'm expecting that when the market touches this point, it will what buy, right? Good. Same way now. Let's say you come now and it has left you here, left you behind. You now wait for it to retrace again. You draw another one again. Expecting that it will touch what here and what continue. So you draw another one again like that. So what you do now is that you will now outline this week. You will go to one chart. We will pick one chart, one time frame, and we will now outline all the support. You can draw it like this, draw it like this, draw it like this. Do you get? Are you getting it? Are you getting it? It's very, very simple. You will understand it when I start using the chart. So now this is daily. Don't forget, you must start with what? Higher what? I choose daily because sometimes weekly is too big. So daily is okay for me. I like it than weekly. But there's no really. You can be flexible too. Again, you might say, okay, let me see, check the weekly time frame and see what's talking there. Let me see, check the daily like that. Let me see, check the monthly like that. Just play with it. Let me check with the H4. Let me check the H4. Then after you will not decide that I'm taking just daily or H4. It depends on you. Because in daily, if you take daily or weekly, it means you will wait longer. Like people like me that have so many things that does so many things like other things. Daily is okay for me because I can place my child and leave it. I'm doing other things. I'm making someone so charge. I'm teaching someone mathematics or I'm doing one thing or I'm helping someone. But if we say no, I don't want those to wait. I don't have that time. I need to pick cash. That means you come. Then that means you take your higher time frame like as H1. You take your higher time frame as H1. So you quickly just go there, make quick cash, and you leave. Do you get? But person like me now, no. I don't want to make quick cash like that. I like trading like I'm trading. I'm doing other things. I'm trading. I'm traveling. I'm trading. I'm on the move, on the go. I'm trading. I'm working out. You get not say I will do chat. They look chat. Yes, I look am. Like I look am. No. Or every time I trade, where leave it for days. Do that thing. Can't you forget to remove that trade? Go yee. We don't want to go. This now that we are doing now, we now determine what type of trader you want to be. You can be a positional trader, a day trader, a swing trader, or a scalper. Scalper na they come out. You get scalpers now, they will trade, they will leave. But me, I like swing trading or daily trading. I like it. I just put my trade, leave them, put my essay, I leave them, may go. Then I'll come back in the evening will see big profit, or I will see you don't collect. Don't take me. That's why you see in trading, it's very very sweet. Just put your essence, you leave them. You know the amount you are risking, you leave it. God bless you. You put your SL, that's why there's SL2 and it's what there's TP2. You put it, you program it, you leave them. Oh God. Till you make money. So Nakamo $10 now make you. You can play. Hope you are getting it. So for a downtrend, so for a downtrend, it becomes what? Is it support or resistance? Good, resistance. Let's go. I said in a downtrend market, the swing point is what? God bless you. Is it what? Lower low, right? Lower high. Lower low, lower what? Alright? So how do you draw it? Once you identify the lower low, lower high, lower low, you draw it for me like this. You use your line 2, there's line 2, there's rectangle, you draw it like this. You draw it like this. Draw it like this. Don't forget, we are following the what? We are following the what? Good. We are following the trend. Since it's a downtrend, we are what? Following the what? The trend. Since it's a downtrend, we are looking for selling what? Opportunities. The bank will consign us. You get? So look now. Draw like this. Draw like this. Draw like this. Draw like this. Right? Let's say when you came now, the market was here. Right? Like this now. Because when you come check your chart, different from when I will check my chart now. I feel not check chart now. But if I go as I'll check waiting chart. Then you check now. When you shook, when you checked now, it was here. Then you wait for it to come to your resistance what? Your resistance what? Zone or what? Level or point. Let's use zone and level. You wait for it to come there. You are waiting. Or maybe when I went or go home, it's already there. It's already there, but I'm not analyzed. That's why it's good to analyze first before you enter the market. But me, I've not analyzed. Analyze you that has been waiting. You are clear on what to do, right? That when it comes to that point, I will execute, right? So you are waiting. So instead of going back, now time, right? Now time, I mean, sometimes you go wait, or you come again, you're already waiting. Right. That's why you need that trading view. You will not put alert. You will not set alert that when it gets to this point, alert me. Your data should be on. If data is not on, it will alert you, but you won't get the alert or the notification. So your data should be on always. That's why a trader, their data they always be on. So you will set an alert here at this price, right? You know that it's not price, maybe. Sure? You will set it here. Set it that if market starts coming there and it touches that point or that zone, notify me. So once it notifies you, then you open your chart. So what? Then you turn a corner. Then you leave what you are doing. It's time to make money. You go to your laptop and you open it. You say, yeah. You don't reach my zone. Since it is daily, you now wait first. Now wait for something. It's called confirmation. I will say that. I'm waiting for what? Confirmation pattern. Confirmation first before we enter. Confirmation first before we enter. Because that confirmation now, it forms at the lower time frame. You get? So here's what? Resistance, right? Here's what? Here's what? Do you now understand support and resistance? Eh? Do you now understand support and resistance? Do you now understand support and resistance? Ask me any question. Ask me any question. God bless you.
BTC a weekly shot.
Look now. Hey, why can't you go? I want to show viewers over the world.
Like this place
Hmm.
the chicken has to come to this direction before it moves up. So I'm waiting for this one now.
God bless you. I will show everybody like this now. Now, you use the weekly to get the what? Direction. So now. I'll come to your side. This is what? This is what option market, right?
Yes.
Even from seeing itself, you don't listen to option market. Don't complicate anything. Don't complicate anything that you can do. No, don't complicate anything. Now look now. Lower, sorry, higher low, right? Right? Then you come here small, abi? Higher low, higher high, small higher low, abi? Then you broke higher high, right? Then higher low, right? So I told you that you always draw your support at the what? Higher what? For an what? Uptrend what? Market. Now see now, you have drew it now like this now. So now like this now we are expecting that if market comes to this support, it will what? Change direction. You see now? You see now? You see now? You see now? So what you do now, once you open your chart, start to draw support for uptrend, then resistance for what? Downtrend.
This one of the corner, I need to reach here.
This one, if I want to do a small. Use buy for example. I will cover it. See now. Impulsive, abi? Retracement. Impulsive. Retracement, abi? Then this is not the impulsive, not this one, because do not break them. It always breaks the previous. So here now just maybe ranging, small range that will teach. Small range. So it broke it now. Broke it to this point. This now the what? Previous high, right? Then it retraced again. Right? Now it broke it now. So now what are we looking for here now? Buy market, right?
Yeah,
Buying opportunities, right? So and now according to what with Lawrence,
you
see
wait
that?
until you get here first
Good.
before you buy.
Good now. We do the support from the previous high. We do it like this now. So I wait for you to come here. Now, say now, you know the go back. This now will not deceive you. Man, follow them. Oh God. Yes, okay. It's going on. It didn't leave you. No, it didn't leave you. It must. That's how life is. There's up and down, up and down, up and down. So this that this is showing green doesn't mean it's about to buy you. But do now for weekly chart, trying to feel down for somewhere they shop small money on board. Calm down. You are being patient because you want to eat the fattest what? Fattest bone. So the moment it comes here now, this is the zone that we will buy this market. We will practice life. We will enter it, and we will enter it. Not just now theoretical. Then once it comes here, we will enter. That's for support and what? Resistance. Then according to what you say now, you say it might what? Break, right?
Yes.
Don't forget this one has support too.
Yeah.
No way. That one's advanced. I will get there. Because this one now, because before market can change direction, it have to break the previous low. I will get there. But for now, let's click to what? Support and what? resistance. Let me show people around the world. So look now. Don't worry, we'll do practical shot. I will use my laptop and I will record it. I will upload it. Now look now. Mr. Mark has highlighted the word support. It's showing right? It's showing right? So this is the previous higher low, higher low, higher high right, higher low, then it broke to here, higher high right, higher low, then it broke again, abi? So now to get the support, and we see that the support is what? Always the previous what? High. Because in an option market, the swing points are the what? Higher high, right? So now it drew this high now, like this. So now we are expecting that if market comes here, it will what? Buy upward. Abi? So we are waiting. We are waiting for it to come to this what? Zone in the weekly market of what? BTC. That's price what? 73,899. Right? Along there, Abi? Good. So that's how to use support and what? Resistance. Don't worry, I will record the laptop and I will still upload it. Do you get? Do you get? Do you get? Do you get? Are we getting it?
Yes.
Are we getting it? So now let's go to practical session. Thank you. You see now, if that thing buy now, but no one will come